Hello everyone, my name is Minty Joe. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I am an American that lives in Venice, Italy. And on this channel, we talk about lock care, self-care, spiritual care, and anything that's going to make us the best version of ourselves. If this is your first time, please consider the content here. Leave a comment. Please subscribe. Love to have you to be a part of the family. Today, we are going to be talking about lock care, of course, and we're going to be discussing the importance of what we need to do to prevent bunching. Now, a couple of days ago, I did another video about my nighttime routine, and in that video, I talked about the importance of braiding your hair in order to keep it nice and slick and nice and straight without the bunching. But I want to go into more details because I found out some very important information that I think that it would be advantageous to you. First, I'd like to give a shout out to someone by the name of Corene Gardner. Corene Gardner is an influencer on, of course, YouTube, and she is also locked. And she gave some very interesting information. If you're interested in finding out more, I will leave her information in the information box, and you can look at her video, and there's a lot of details in there that will definitely help you out. Today, I'm just going to go on the basic 3 things that you can do to help with this bunching problem. Now, Corene goes into detail about bunching and also budding. There are differences. When we start our hair and the hair is starting to lock, that is the budding phase. But bunching is a little bit different. So I'm going to show you an example of bunching. Okay, this, for example, is bunching. As you can see, there is a little bit of a bump in my lock. Now, this usually happens to people that start their locks on either shoulder length hair or neck length hair. And so we have this quite frequently. And there is a way that can help our locks to be nice and straight and sleek and, get this out. We don't want this. So first thing we're going to do is water. We're going to have water, and this water is going to help moisturize our hair so that we can work on this here. What we need to do, first of all, is moisturize the area that you want to work with. Now, it's very, very important to use water. You can use other things, but water is the elixir of life. It's the best thing that you should use on your hair. Okay, so the first thing that we did was water. The second step is to get your fingertips, and you're just going to kind of pull a little bit on that area. So you're trying to straighten it out. Now, you don't want to pull too hard, but you do want to give it, some type of tension so it will start to straighten out a little bit. And you can see that it's doing that already. The third step is to put your hands together like this, and you're going to start palm rolling the hair. And you want to make sure that there's a lot of tension, okay? Because that's important. Okay, that's going to help smooth out the bump, okay? So you're going to go over it again and again, all right? And you can see it's already starting to smooth out. I'll do it one more time, okay? Make sure it's moisturized, and mine is still moisturized. And look at that, okay? You can actually see that it's smoothing out. And this is something that you can do on a regular basis, okay? That will help smooth out your locks. I was so excited to find out more information about that. And again, if you're interested in getting the intricate details, please visit Corene Gardner's channel so you can find more information out. And ladies, that's basically what I have to tell you today. So if you want to smooth out those locks, it's possible to do that. Yay, how exciting is that? And that will help us to not only have smooth locks, but it will also be able to show our true length, because a lot of times our hair bunches up and we don't have our full length. So when we do it like this and when we work on those bumps, we can see exactly how long our hair is growing, if that is your goal or whatever. We want to keep them nice and smooth. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope that this information has helped you. If you're interested in this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also leave me a thumbs up. And if you have any hacks that you like to share, I'd love us to share and to talk about it so that we can all go through this journey with a positive outcome. Thank you so much for being here. Arrivederci. See you soon. Bye.